Welcome back to How to Help Your Kid Master Addition and Subtraction of Fractions the First Time. We are at part 6, Subtraction of a Fraction from a Whole Number. And this is where many of the kids struggle with renaming or regrouping and when we were raised, we called borrowing from a whole number. This is where they will really use that composing and decomposing to figure out what it is that they're doing and why. So they're really making sense of it now. So this piece where they're having to subtract from a whole number is critical. Tyler made a goal to run 3 miles on Saturday and Sunday. If he ran 3/4 of a mile on Saturday, how much farther does he need to run on Sunday to meet his goal? We want to give kids time to do some discovery and to use what they know to figure this out. And we hope that they would create 3 holes, and one of those they could partition it into 4/4 because they only really need the 4/4 to subtract the 3/4. And then they're left with 2 1/4. And then apply this knowledge to these expression that they have when they don't have models. And instead of using the 3 holes, they know that they have 2 4/4, which is equivalent to 3. And they use that to do their subtraction. So 2 4/4 minus 3/4 gives them 2 1/4 miles. Giving the students time to really explain and discover these relationships is really about helping them to make sense of this mathematics for themselves. Some of them may choose to create 3 holes, and instead of partitioning one hole into 4/4, they may choose to partition all of them into fourths because that's the way they think about it. And that's completely fine because that is a connection between mixed numbers and proper fractions. All of it's connected, and the kids need to know that. So after they do all of their fourths, then they could do their subtraction. But then know that they have to recompose those fourths to make one whole. So they have 2 wholes and 1/4 more, which is the same thing that we had before. And also, if they had just the expression, then the expression would be the same exact way. The 4/4 plus 4/4, where the 4/4 each gives them 2, and 4/4 minus 3/4 gives them 1/4, so they get 2 1/4 miles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to get your copy of Fractions Made Easy, a helpful resource that provides a list of support videos with pictorial representations to help you get your kids to where you want them to be.